Díolch, it's Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and here's a little children's poem called Bábóg-een Shíle. Bábóg Shíle, Bábóg Shíle, Shíle's doll. Tá Bábóg Shíle, sí gléasta jass, Fwee ghúna brah síoda, Agus cóta byug glas. Tá Bábóg Shíle, Tá Bábóg Shíle. Shee-la has a doll. Is gléasta jass, and she's dressed nicely. Fwee ghúna brah síoda. A nice or a fine silk dress. Agus cóta byug glas. And a small green coat. Is even le Síle chur in a sea, is a grúig geal a khee-ra, le Síle. Is even le Síle, Síle loves, chur in a sea, to sit her down. Is a grúig geal a khee-ra, and to comb her bright hair, le Síle, before she goes to bed. Tá cion mór Síle, a baw-bohg-een, Kud-leen siad le chéile, vlee-in. Tá cion mór Síle. Síle is very fond, baw-bohg-een, of her own little doll. Kud-leen siad le chéile. They sleep together, vlee-in, every night of the year. Now, all together. Tá Bábóg Shíle, sí gléasta jass, Fwee ghúna brah síoda, Agus cóta byug glas. Is even le Síle, chur in a sea, is a grúig geal a khee-ra, le Síle. Tá cion mór Síle, baw-bohg-een, Kud-leen siad le chéile, vlee-in. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more of the Irish language, why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic or visit the blog over at www.bitesize.irish.